Across the universe, that little ditty. Here is the intro. It's just 5 chords. So we've changed it to make these chords easier. First one is a C chord, and that is C, E, and G with your 1, 3, and 5 fingers. The second chord is a G chord, where we're playing a B, D, and G. So we've put the G on top to make it easier to switch to. So that's with your 1, 2, and 5 fingers. Then we have an A minor chord. So you're taking that whole shape, 1, 2, and 5, and you're moving it all up one white key. And that brings you to C, E, and A. And you want to play that so your hand looks like this, not like this. This is the good way. And then we're going to move to an E minor, shifting things down a little bit, and you have a B with the thumb, an E with the 3, and a G with the 5. Now these fingerings are important because you'll memorize the way these shapes feel under your hands. So using the 1, 3, and 5 in this way is good practice because it's going to help you get to other chords more easily. For example, this G chord, which is the last chord, which is the as a B, D, and G. So as you can see, if we go from the E minor to the G chord, that's a really easy switch. So C chord, G chord, A minor chord, E minor chord, G chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. One last time. So that A minor chord happens for 4 beats. All the other chords happen for 2.